solve this problem together. We have root x plus root minus x to be equal to 32, and we want to find the value of x. So let's begin. Let's move this to the right hand side to have root x is equal to 32 minus root minus x. From here, let's square both sides. When we square both sides, let's recall that when we have a minus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. So from here, this will cancel out this. We have x to be equal to, our 32 is a, so we have 32 squared. We have plus b, our b is root minus x, so we have root minus x all squared. We have minus 2 times 32 times root minus x. From here, we have x to be equal to 32 to the power of 2 is 1024. We have this to cancel this. We are left with minus x. We have minus 2 times 32. We have 64 root minus x. So this gives us x to be equal to 1024 minus x minus 64 root minus x. So let's move this over to the left. We have x, this one crossing over becomes plus x is equal to 1024 minus 64 roots minus x. So from here, we have x plus x, which is 2x, is equal to our, we have a common factor here, which is 2. When we factor 2 out from here, we are left with 512 minus 64 divided by 2. We have 32 roots minus x. So let's divide through by 2. We'll now have x to be equal to 512 minus 32 root minus x. So when we rearrange this, we can have x, this 512 crossing over becomes minus 512 is equal to minus 32 root minus x. So when we square both sides from here, the left hand side will give us x squared plus 512 all squared minus 2 times x times 512, and is equal to, so I have minus 32 root minus x all squared. Let's recall when we have root ab, this is the same as root a times root b. So we'll be splitting the right hand side. For this side, we have x squared plus 512 all squared, and this is minus 1024x is equal to, when we split this, we have minus 32 all squared times root minus x all squared. So we have x squared plus 512 to the power of 2 minus 1024x is equal to, our this to the power of 2 will give us 1024, and this cancel out this, we have minus x. So we have x squared plus 512 to the power of 2 is equal to, this times this, we have minus 1024x, and this crossing over the equality sign, we have plus 1024x. So our x squared plus 512 to the power of 2 is equal to this plus this, we have 0. So our x squared is equal to, when we move this over, we have minus 512 all to the power of 2. So let's take the square root of both sides. To have root x squared is equal to root minus 512 all squared. So this cancel out this, we have x is equal to the square root of 512 to the power of 2 times minus 1. So we have x is equal to root 512 all squared times root minus 1. But let's recall that the square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So we have x to be equal to, this cancel out, we have 512 and our root minus 1 is I. So we have that x is equal to plus or minus 512 I. So we have the values of x to be equal to 512 I, and x is also equal to minus 512 I. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.